You know what that means. That's not good, right? My bag has been falling apart, and I gotta charge my batteries up. You can see I patched it up right there before, and I gotta patch it up again. Right, go like this. I already have it ready. Right. Just like that. Go like this. Come back inside of it, I guess. I'm not really the best sewer, but I got some skills. But sewing is not really my forte, but I'm forced to because I can't find any more of these bags here, right? These bags are freaking awesome, man, because you can sew them up. You can sew them up, right? And I'll show you the stuff that I've been getting with my Equinox right there. This is what I got out of about 30 hours of detecting. Lots of coins right there. A little marble down on the surface. Some pull tabs. And this is stuff, I just found this micro machine. I just posted this one today. And lots of junk. A bunch of jewelry. But a big handful of jewelry already. There's one of my Snickers bars. I'll actually put that back in my bag there. And, you know, most of that stuff is with my 6-inch smart coil, because I've been using it a lot, and I really like that little coil there. It does very, very good. Yeah, this will last a while. I will be using not black thread, so I can see how many times I've sewed this bag together. But at least it's sewable, right? A lot of bags, you just can't repair them, man. Just like so. I mean, it's going to be very ugly, right? I'm not worried about it being pretty, right? I just don't want my pin pointer to keep on falling out of my bag there, right? And it is certainly not pretty, but it will do. It will last a while. It all depends on my last stitch here, right? But I've been working a lot of hours lately. I have a job now, again, but I don't really have to work. I just do it to keep out of trouble. I enjoy it. I enjoy the hard work. Okay. Now, here is where I know nothing about sewing, right? So I'll just tighten it up there, and I'll just put a couple more stitches in there because I do have some more room here. I have a little bit more thread, so put my pin pointer in there. Yeah, it's ugly, but it works, right? I'll just go like this. Just make some little knots there. Yeah, I'll just make some tight ones here. I know nothing about sewing, just to tell you guys. You guys can probably tell. Yeah, that didn't work. Well, good enough for me, right? There we go. Go like this. Put that needle back in this portion over here. Why in the hell do they have that thing on there? I have no idea. Why do they do that? Put that right there for now. Yep. My battery should be charged here in about another half an hour. But I think I will actually will sew that too. See what I'm saying? This bag's starting to fall apart. I've used this bag for about 7 months, and I don't think I've used a bag for 7 months. I don't think ever, to tell you the truth. Oh, there's part of a tag, license plate tag. Pink. Yep. This is some of the stuff that I've been sorting. Just lots of buttons, coins, tokens, rings. There's some rings here somewhere. Just all kinds of weird stuff. Earrings, jewelry. Just pulling it out of the stuff that I've been finding with the Equinox. This is just the Equinox for about 30 hours. About 30 hours or so. And yeah, that original sew job that I did, stitch job that I did, it's holding up pretty good. So I think that one should hold in there for a little while. And I'm gonna just patch this side part up here so it doesn't rip open on me. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.